Have you ever heard the famous saying of Don Quixote, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? In trading or investing, whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, it is a best practice to have your profit distributed and not in one place. It is a way to distribute your risks. If one of your investments or trades fail, it won't affect your entire portfolio. Losses are a part of the trading and investing journey. Choose where you put them wisely. Distribute your risks and manage your profit the smart way. Be a smart trader. Learn more about trading with SmarTrade.